The weather is beautiful today.
Stay away from me, you monster!
Don't worry, I will save you. Drink this. Stay calm, don't worry, the ambulance is already on its way. Please, Lord, save the infant. How beautiful this baby is. Congratulations, this is your first child, my darling.
I must make her pay. I will have my revenge.
Stay away from my wife.
Surrender yourself, you are surrounded on charges of betrayal.
Don't worry, my darling, I've gotten rid of him.
Thank you, my darling. You saved my life.